Greetings, one and all. How's everyone doing? I hope very well. I wanted to show you a little item that my buddy Matt over at Odell Outdoors sent me. He did a video which I'll link below in the description, which I literally haven't even opened yet. It is so the company is TWOD TWAD, I think it's called. And it is a sheath or a protective cover for a firearm. So let me put this down and I'll show you. Okay. So here is my Ruger 1022. All the stuff I have in it. I gotta be careful because if someone was out hiking and they see it, they might freak. So, first priority first. Well, here she is. And before I do anything, conduct. So no magazine, safety check. It's mandatory anytime I handle a firearm, I make sure to safety check it. It's kind of a no option thing. So what you can do is you can take the protective sheath first time doing this, so there might be a little bit of operator error, but come on. Sights on the barrel like sticking on the fabric. You got lots of room to spare. You see how much is off the back. So the butt ends here, and I have more. I have room for my scope, which has the cover still on it, and it goes all the way out to the end. And then it has a real nice little zip tie here, so you can just cinch it up. So now when you're carrying it in your vehicle, you can you don't have to worry about scratches. Also, if it's sitting, like on the behind the driver or passenger seat, it's just gonna be laying there like this, and no one might know what it was. I guess you can't really see that. Hopefully, they don't know. They probably haven't seen my video or Matt's video, so they might just think it's laundry or something and not realize that you're carrying a firearm. Maybe you're gonna go, the range, do a little shooting, do a little plinking. Plus, you could probably just store it right in the bag it came in, which is what I'm going to do, because why not? Of course, the Velcro straps they have to have their say and give away. But there you go. So thank you very much, Matt. I appreciate that very much. I like it. It's cool. It's a little bit heavier material than I thought too. I was almost thinking it was almost like a thick sock, I wouldn't say a thick sock, like a medium weight sock. But that'll be nice to keep my firearm in. As I said, all the links will be below. Currently, it's on Amazon right now for $16.99. And it comes with one for a rifle and one for a pistol together. Now, my only critique, I kind of wish they just sold the rifle and the pistol separately, so you can add two rifle to your cart, or a pistol and a rifle. Because I don't have a pistol, and if I bought, Matt sent this to me because he's awesome. But if I bought it, I'm stuck with a pistol stock, and I don't have a pistol to put it in. Now, not that I don't want one. I mean, I definitely want to get one at some point. But what am I going to do with a pistol stock with no pistol? So it's a minor gripe, but whatever. So if you're looking for Christmas gifts, you can order that on Amazon. If you're a Prime member, you have free. I don't know what the shipping costs. Depending on where you live, they're always sticking it to you when it comes to shipping, in my opinion. So, as always, I appreciate you watching. Check out the links below. Check out Matt's channel and give him a sub if you like. And yeah, as always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you next one.